There are, I'm going to say it's new to us. Not all of it is new, but it's new to us. It takes a little digging to ferret out some of what is out there. And I was very excited about what I began to uncover, including one study that was done on hypoplasia and breastfeeding that I don't think anybody knew about. I surely didn't. That was like, well, there's a study. There's actually an actual study. And then just some of the different underlying issues, I think is going to provide a lot more clarity. Right now, we tend to think of hypoplasia as this mysterious condition. We don't know why it happens. The term that we tend to use for this is idiopathic, which just means we're not sure. But there are a number of things that could underlie it. Some of them are quite rare, but there are also some other things that are beginning to surface. And so, yeah, there is new information, and with new information comes ideas on how we can help, whether it is early, anticipatory, or whether it's just on boots on the ground if we got to deal with what we have right now.